Ask yourself and then present it. What's the problem you are solving? Innovation is about solving a problem. Entrepreneurship is about taking that innovation into commercialization, solving that problem and earning revenue, earning money off it. So when you're pitching, that's the one thing that's quite important. Is there a problem and can you convince your audience the problem exists, right? And then what's your solution? Is there a credible solution that you have that is perhaps unique, very innovative, different to others in the market? Do you have a prototype that can be tested? Is there credible evidence behind your solution that will influence investors? And why should they back you? You need to be convincing them. So those are three things that a pitch should be asking. And finally, what it is that you want, you need to ask them. So starting with your why and your passion, telling your story, this is quite important and it fits into the science of entrepreneurship, right? It's very important that you believe first of all before others are going to believe it with you. You need to believe it before others are going to believe it with you. And you need to be communicating, conveying that belief. Resilience, you yourself, if you've got passion and your belief and you can carry that, it will be resilient for yourself to get through. You'll be able to answer them much better. Okay, so your decision making, all this preparation to be confident, to be resilient, to be authentic, it guides your decision making because you're not coming in uncertain. So the downside, inconsistent messaging. If you don't have that belief very, very strong and you don't have that personal passion very, very grounded, you may differ in your messaging from time to time, and that can be an issue for your audience, especially to investors. Investors want clear messages and consistency. Clear messages and consistency around it. If you don't have the right belief and your passion is not in the right place, then you may feel easily discouraged if others challenge you. A good pitch will talk about the problem firstly that they are solving, and at some point they're going to identify, we've done our research, we know that so many people, maybe 5 million in one province, suffer from this one problem, and that's why we're passionate about solving it. It's going to put you personally under pressure to prepare, practice, to research, to edit. If you take in 10 words to say something, can you do it in 6, and is it sharper in 6 words than 10? Is using 12 words too much, etc.? So in preparing to discuss, present, and pitch, you need to be able to make sure that what you are going to be talking about is the best version of it. So that's the point, right? So timekeeping is not about the time, it's about all these things we've started talking about, okay?